Today I'm doing a headlight restoration on these 2004 Lexus GX470 headlights. These things are pretty bad shape. All lenses are cracked and clear coat's yellow as hell. It was a little hazier, but I just hit it with this 3M red scuff pad just to start off because it was so bad. Usually you start with sandpaper. I just ended up hitting with that. I'm gonna hit it with this gray one right after this, and then work on some 1000, 1500, and 2000 grit before I buff it. After 1200 grit, you see it's still hazy and doesn't look that great, but next I'm going to hit it with some 1500 and then 2000 and then get with the real buffing pad on it. After 2000 grit, it's fairly clear. So now I'm going to hit it with some ultimate compound, polishing it. I've got my Meguiars cutting pad on here to hit it with the first shot. So after a quick pass of that, it is crystal clear with the lens. So I'm gonna continue on the other headlight, and I think I'm just gonna do the cutting, and then after that just a quick polish, and that should be good for this. Next thing I'm doing is this mother's polish, regular ultimate polish. Just put a coat of that on there and then hit it with my wool pad. There you have it, nice and clear again. This is probably a temporary fix. Probably gotta do it every 6 months to a year, but to keep up with it. But you know, it's good enough. The only way to really keep it really clear is to re-clear coat it with some 2K clear coat, same stuff that you use on your paint, but most people don't have access to that, so you know, just buffing and keeping up with it is probably your best choice. Alright, to seal them up, I'm just going to do a quick layer of carnauba wax from Meguiars on them after the polish. So after the wax, my final step is using this Blue Magic Headlight Lens UV Sealer. It's basically like a spray-on oil that I've been using with good luck recently. Every couple car washes I apply it to all my headlights. Evenly coat it, let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes and wipe it dry. And there you have it, nice and clear. Alright, like, subscribe, do what you need to do. I'll keep on posting these videos as I do stuff to cars.